Hey, Marshall Coleman here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a $150 commission on a simple review video. Okay, a few things I want to say first before I get started. The things you need before you do anything, you need a good product to promote. This is key. Not just any old product, man. It's good to have a product that you are a part of, whether you have a review copy or you actually a product of the product. That's just what you promote. And in this case, I'm a product of the product. I've been a part of this for a while. But only thing I did was I made a YouTube video on. Listen, let's go to my channel real quick. Called Aversity Gold Masterclass Review, and put how to make money from home 2018. Only thing I did was I went through the course. I mean, you can go and look at it. That'd be the easiest way for you to know. But I just went through the course and just basically explain what you're going to be getting. Because I'm the same way. I want to know what I'm going to be buying. So that's the kind of reviews I give. The stuff that people want to know. Like, for instance, I can go actually into it right now. You can watch the YouTube video, but as you see, I am a member of this. And it's easier to talk about something that you've done and that you are doing than it is to guess at what's going on. So that's why it's always best to get a review copy or something like that, or buy the product just to, if you want to promote it. But I went through all these videos and all the different things you get, and it's a really, really good product, man. It covers a lot, from just how to get started, traffic, all of this. I'm going to do another video more in depth, but I don't know how far or how long this is going to go for. But he got something now called one-on-one coaching. It's brand new and it's free to members. I don't know how long this is going to be for. I don't know if it's free to current members, but anybody who's in right now, I know is getting one-on-one coaching. You sign up and you'll have your own one-on-one coach to talk to and ask questions or whatever, but it's free. So that's what's going on right now. Another thing real quick, any lead you send through, let's go back to my commission thing here. See, any leads you send through, like for instance, me, I usually put squeeze pages to mine so I can collect the email and then I redirect them to the offer. But and that's what I did in this last case. But I just so happened to take that off, the squeeze page off. And when I did that, I get a commission like the day after I did it. Now, I probably was going to get it anyway, but what I mean by squeeze page is this. Instead of me sending it to my landing page, which I think I switched it. Let me see. I'm pretty sure I switched it. Yeah, I did switch it. See, I had it going to my landing page, but now I sent it to the offer, which he collects the leads and they sell for you. And I mean, you got high ticket product in here. I mean, you got high ticket products in here, man. It's awesome to send leads here and they do the selling for you. And then you get commissions off of that. They got commissions as high as 1,000. More just depends on what level in here you are. But that's pretty easy to get. That's pretty easy to do, to send traffic here. But back to what I was getting at, I kind of got off the subject a little bit. But the only thing I did was go over my Aversity Gold Masterclass. What's in it, different steps. I went through every module to see so you'll see what you're going to get. And then I just took that video, because I use Camtasia. I uploaded it to YouTube, which, here, you just upload it. You put your little tags in, which you see the tags off to the side. And you put your links and your channel subscribes in here. And that's basically all I did. And this video right here made me $150. I mean, the full commission was like $290. I mean, it was $297 for the whole thing, but I got $150 off of this video right here. How cool is that? If you want to learn how to do things like that, just go ahead and visit that link below, because that's what the Gold Masterclass shows you. It shows you all that stuff. It shows you a lot of how to do this. It shows you everything from YouTube ads. You can check out my review video and you'll see what I'm talking about. And also, if you want more stuff like, because I'm going to be doing more videos as far as trainings and different stuff like that. If you're interested in stuff like that, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I'll upload a video whenever I can, which will probably be once or twice a week. But for now, I think that's pretty cool. I think it's real cool to go check your commissions. Really, I just said, let me go ahead and check it. Let me go ahead and look. And as soon as I looked, I had a commission 2 days ago. And I needed to set it up where I would have known about it, but I didn't set that up yet. But that's a cool thing to see. And all I did was make a YouTube video. So, like I said, if you want to know more of how to do that, click the link below. And I'll see you on the inside. Thanks.